Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Shopify Philippines. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then if you don't have an account yet on Shopify Philippines, so you just have to sign up. Okay, so here on the other tab, you just have to type out Shopify Philippines. Okay, then after that, you'd be able to see this first website. So just simply click on this one. So once you're here, you'd be able to see here the login and the start for free option. But before that, let's go and talk about the pricing first. Okay, so here on the pricing, as you can see, we have four different plans. So we have the basic, the grow, the advanced, and then the plus. So for the basic, we have $19. So for the basic, we have starting at $19 per month. And for the grow, we have $49 per month. And for the advanced, we have $299. And for the plus, we have $2,300 per month. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the try it for free. And for the plus is you have to get started already. So just going to get start for free. So just simply click on this option at the top. Okay, so you can try any of those plans. Okay, so here just have to add a new account. So since I already have my account on Shopify, I'm just going to skip this part. Okay, so here this is your homepage. Okay, so here on your homepage, you have to give your store a name. Okay, you have to add a payment methods, and then you can also generate the design for your store. Okay, so going back here on your Shopify store, just go to the online store section. That's right here. You'd be able to see here your themes. Okay, so the theme that you're using for your store. Okay, and then in this section, these are the pages for your store. Okay, so if you want to add a new page, so you just have to simply click on this plus icon at the top, and then you have to give this view a name. Okay, so to add your page, just simply click on this add page option at the top right of your screen. And then here just have to put a title if what this page about. Okay, and then for the visibility, it should be visible. That's right. And then for the content, you just have to add here the content of this page. And then after that, you're now good to go. Okay, so here just go to the products section. Okay, so let me just discard the changes and go to the products. Okay, so here on the product section, you'd be able to see here all of the products that you have on your Shopify store. Now, I will going to show you on how you can add your product manually and how you can upload it manually. And also, I'm going to guide you on how you can drop ship products from two different platforms. So, I'm going to give you an example for Shopee and for Amazon. Okay, so here, as you can see, we already have these products. Okay, so let me just click on one of this product. So we have here the title of the product, we have the description, the media, and of course the other details, especially the prices of this product that you are selling. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use a tool to drop ship product. Okay, so before I going to tell you on how you can add your product manually, because that's just so easy, let's go and proceed to the difficult one. Just click on the apps option at the bottom, and right here just click on the all recommended apps. That's right, and then click on the Shopify app store at the bottom. And then here you just have to use the search bar at the top, and you have to search for the Importify. Okay, so the Importify is the tool that we are going to use so that we can drop ship products from Amazon and Shopee Philippines. So just have to search for Importify and you'd be able to see this applications. You just have to click on this one and make sure to install it after that. Okay, and then once you're done installing the Importify, just open a new tab and you have the search for Importify extension. Okay, so we have to install this tool to our web browser or the web browser that we are using. So you just have to search for the Importify extension and then click on this first result at the top, and then make sure to add this extension to your web browser. So just simply click on this one, and right here at the top you'd be able to see here all of your extensions. So make sure to pin the Importify extension. Okay, after that we can now close this one. Now let's start with Shopee Philippines. Okay, so you just have to search Shopee and then visit your website. And then once you are done logging in to your Shopify account and then choosing your plan, then you can now proceed and use the tool to drop ship product from Shopee or Amazon. Okay, so right here on Shopee Philippines, I'm just going to select a random product that we can drop ship. Okay, so for example, for the men's apparel. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and right here, you just have to choose the product that you are going to drop ship. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Just make sure that you have a fast internet connection. Okay, so just wait. Once you found your product, you just have to simply click on it. That's right. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here the add option or the add icon at the top. So this is the Importify. You just have to click on it. Okay, so after that you just have to simply click on the add to your store option. Okay, and then you just have to wait for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds to complete the process. Now let's proceed and go over to the Amazon website. Okay, so I'm just going to visit the Amazon website right here and let's try to drop ship a product. Okay, so for example, this product right here. So once you click on the product, you'd be able to see the same icon at the top, which is the Importify icon. So this one, just simply click on that option. Okay, and you have here now the products. You just have to click on add to your store and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now let's go back to our Shopify store. Okay, and then go back to the home page, then go back to the products to refresh this section. And as you can see, we have successfully added the two different products right here. Now to add your products manually, you just have to click on this add product option at the top right. Okay, and then you have to input right here all of the details of your product manually. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.